We all can agree to this fact that in a web design agency, building a website is the easiest part. Anyone can build a website, but getting clients, it's a totally different deal. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you the best and quickest way to get clients without stressing about cold calling. And we are going to get those clients with Instagram. I'm not just a random YouTuber giving advice on how to get clients for your own agency. I've been running my own web design agency for past 2 years, which is bringing in $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue, which means even if I don't get clients this month, I'll be still getting my monthly recurring revenue the next month. And on top of it, I'm also helping you guys do the same while getting clients in a matter of days or weeks. So getting straight to the point, before doing the outreach for your Instagram, you need to have your own proper business Instagram. So as you can see, this is my web design Instagram, and I also have like lots of posts there, and I'm actually showing my face in my account, and I also have lots of graphics, and I've also have my actual client's testimonial on my Instagram. And on top of it, I have 700 followers. So you need to have all of these things properly set up. Only then people will take you seriously, and people will not think like this is a scam. We don't need to go inside and reply to these messages. And that's the only reason you guys have not be getting any clients. And I know if you're starting a new account, you will not get 700 followers and you don't have any idea on how to set up your account. And yes, I have a guy in my team. I will let you know how to build this exact kind of professional website with these many followers to look legit. And yeah, watch this video until the end, and I will let you know how to increase your followers and how to set up your account in a way that you can get clients with Instagram. First, let's see what you guys do. And this is what I've been hearing from you guys. For example, if you go inside search and search for plumbing London and click enter. For example, we have so we have one Instagram account, and let's see how old this profile. So this is 2019. It's pretty old. So we will go back and do the same thing again. Search, and let's go for another account. And this account is, also this account is old, and they also have their website. This is not the way we are going to get clients, so don't worry about this. I'm just making a point, like this is not the way you get clients, and this is not the way you search for leads. If you kept on doing this, it's going to take a lot more time to find and figure out the perfect lead for reaching out. So instead of doing this, I have a best way. For the time being, I'm going to blur this screen at the moment, and this is the code we're going to use to find the Instagram accounts of the businesses who don't have website. And we're going to have a bunch of list of Instagrams of businesses who don't have website, where we can just go in and you can just copy paste the same script, and whoever is going to reply, and we're going to hit them with our link to book a meeting with us, and we're going to close these clients. And just copy this code. If you want to access this code again, watch this video until the end. I'll let you know how to access everything we're going to see inside this video. After copying this link, we're going to go inside Google and paste. So inside this code, you only need to change two of the lines, which says niche and city. So inside the niche, you can pick anything. Again, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go with plumbing. And for the city, again, let's go with London. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different Instagram. You can keep on scrolling, and let me show you the 10th page. We still have lots and lots of Instagram, even on the 10th page. And I'm going to go all the way to the first page, and let's click on this first Instagram account. And what this code does is that we will find out all the Instagrams of the businesses who don't have their website link on their Instagram account. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the place where we copied the link. It is our school community, and I have loaded everything I personally use inside my business over here. And these are 3 different scripts, the outreach scripts. This is the MRR method, and these two are the direct method. And we are gonna use the second direct method. We're just gonna copy this entire script and go back inside the messages and paste. Click enter. Hey mate, are you still currently in business? Couldn't see a website link. Just came across your page, actually built you a high converting website for your business. Are you down to check it out? And this is going to intrigue your clients, because most of the web designer are eagerly looking for money. So they are like, this is what you guys are doing. Go inside the DM, letting them know, hello, I'm a web designer. Would you like to have a website done for your business? No. If you sound like this, it sounds scammy. You should hear yourself talking and hear yourself saying this out loud. So when you do that, it's gonna sound scammy. So that's why we are giving before asking for anything. So we have mentioned that they don't have a website, and we also mentioned that we went ahead and actually built them a high converting website already, even before having a message from them. And yeah, we are not going to build anything from scratch. You don't have to sit down and build this even before going inside the meeting. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a template from any of the platforms you're using. You can use any platforms. For me, I'm using Go High Level so that I can sign them up for a monthly recurring revenue. But you can use any platforms with this exact strategy. Once you can start getting replies. For example, this is how it usually goes. We pitch them our services, and we slowly answer all their questions and warm them up, and we will send them our booking calendar, and they will book a meeting with us Monday 4 p.m. In this case, I used a free monthly recurring revenue outreach, where I give them a free website. Again, it's a template. I just take 5 to 10 minutes from my side to set it up, and I charge them a monthly recurring revenue. But you can do the same with the direct approach. You can straight away let them know that I didn't see any website and I built you a free website. If you're interested, booking a meeting with me. Everything happens in the Instagram. And during the outreach, we are selling a meeting. Don't sell the website during the outreach. The only thing you need to keep in your head is that we are selling the meeting, and inside the meeting, that's where the sales process takes care. Inside the meeting, we will go deep and let them know us as a person. We can't just sell the services just by cold calling, just by DMing on Instagram, just by DMing them on Facebook. You need to show them your face, and you need to explain everything, how they are going to get clients with the website. And we are not going to commoditize our services by just selling websites. We are selling them a service where this service is going to get them more clients. So if you're just selling a website, anyone can do that. They can find a guy from Bangladesh or Pakistan who's going to do it way cheaper than us. He's going to charge $50. So you can't be fighting with the guy who is going to keep on reducing the price. So this is how you should leverage your services. We are selling them a website which converts them more clients inside their business. So after doing everything, this is what happens. We send them to our funnel, and inside the funnel, we have the calendar booking. And yeah, this is the exact system which is bringing in a lot of meetings. At the moment, I'm only doing Instagram and Facebook. And with these two strategies, I answer all their questions, I warm them up, I send them my booking link, and they will book a meeting with me. And inside the meeting, I walk them through with my closing script. Again, I will let you know how you can get access to everything we are looking at right now by the end of the video. So watch the video until the end. And inside the call, we will walk them through everything they actually want to hear, how they're going to get clients with our services. We are not just selling a website, we are selling a system along with the website. That's why we can sign them up for $1,000 or $2,000 or even $3,000 website, and at the same time we can charge them a hosting fees from 97 to 297 or 497 in a monthly recurring revenue. And yeah, we have lots of sales calls recorded, and after that, after closing these clients and during the sales call, we actually show them the website. You just go inside your if you're using any AI platforms, you can just prompt a site, or if you're using some platforms like Koha Level, you have lots of pre-built templates just like these, and just change the logo and the description with respect to your client's business. And during the call, after showing everything, all the benefits they're going to get while working with you, and before showing the payment, you will show what they're going to get for their services. And once they start seeing all the benefits and the service, the website itself, they can see everything before even asking for money. They will let their guard down, and you will go for the next screen. This is the screen before, after showing the website, and you will show the screen and let them know this is the price, and you will shut down. You will not say nothing. The client should talk about the objection. So if you keep on justifying the prices, you're gonna look weak and you're gonna look needy, and the clients can smell that. So it's not a good thing to do. So after showing the price, you're gonna shut your mouth, and if they have any objection, then you're gonna answer those questions. But before that, zip it. And once it's done, we're gonna connect the domain name, and we're gonna charge them $1,000 for the website and the hosting fees for 97. And this is not just some theoretical advice. This is not just working for me. As you can see, this is Andre. Since he started working with me, for the first month, he got 16 booked meetings, and with that, he closed 6 of those clients. And right now, last month, he made the most amount of money with this agency, almost closing $6,000 with selling websites. And just a few days ago, I uploaded a video with him, and he was telling me what all the things which was happening in his life and all the things which was happening in his agency. Again, we are not just running a business. We have to deal with our own life and take care of everything which is surrounding us at the same time. So if you want to look at that video to know what goes behind the scene and what it takes to make those money with your agency, I will link that video down in the description. And we have Jamie over here, and he's the best performer in our in my coachings, and he signed up with me almost 1.5 months ago. On his first month, he got 50 plus meetings with this exact system, and he got 12 clients, and I should have changed it. Now he has 15 clients in his agency, paying him $5,000. It's not just for 1 month. He's getting this $5,000 every single month, since he's charging 97 to 197 hosting fees. As you can see, it's not just working for me, it's working for you guys as well. Unlike me, I was struggling for first 6 months for getting clients. But you guys, with the right direction, you can get your first clients in the first week or even the first day. Because Jamie got his first client the second day. And this is what you're gonna do repeatedly. So when you go inside the same page, you just click back and you get to see lots of other Instagram accounts. So once it's done, you're gonna keep on sending messages for 50 other accounts. So after the 50th account, cool down. Only after 24 hours later, you're gonna do the same thing again. Because if you keep on messaging the other accounts, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna start a new account and you're gonna blast these many messages, you are gonna get flagged and you're going to get banned. And you can find all of those scripts and codes which you can make use to find all those Instagram accounts. And along with that, we also have scripts for Facebook group outreach. And yes, I know that you guys don't like cold calling, and that's the only reason I set this up for my coaching members with Instagram and Facebook, so that they can start getting clients as quickly as possible without stressing about making cold calls. And you get to have all of these inside our community, where you can see when you click on share wins. Epic website sold the first website for $750. Francis, first client on the first week, $997 plus $197 in monthly recurring revenue. Andre closed $5.7 thousand with this exact strategy. And yeah, you have lots of people winning, and you can find this inside the vault. And as you can scroll down, and this is where you get to find all these scripts and all the funnels, all the closing scripts, literally everything which I'm using inside my agency. You can find it inside my community. So you have two different ways. You can join the community and do it by yourself, making use of the things which I'm personally using. Or if you want my personalized help, helping you by your side and getting your first client as quick as possible, you can click the first link in the description, book an onboarding call, and if I can feel like that I can help you, we can start working together and you will close your first client in the first week. I can guarantee you that. And I'm pretty sure you got some value out of this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.